So now let's talk about the WAZER, which is the water jet cutter. It basically is a water jet cutter that can cut through aluminum plate steel up to about 1/4 inch with a really high powered stream of water and some sand mixture, which is actually made of garnet. It's like it's hard as a diamond. So basically it cuts through the metal through a really powerful stream of water. So we're going to take the same vector we have here that we did in Illustrator as we just sent to the laser cutter. But for the WAZER, it's a different kind of format. It's actually going back the other way we came, which is it needs to see a DXF. So from our file we had set up for the laser cutter, we're just going to do File, Export, Export As, and we're going to set up this to be sent to the WAZER cutter, the WAZER, as a DXF.DXF. So this will be our export for that, and we'll click OK. And the WAZER interface is a web interface. So we'll go to the WAZER, it's wham.wazer.com. You have to log in. It's basically all online. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to look for we're going to import our file, the one we just saved there. We're looking for the DXF file with a shorter name, which is right here. And we're going to click on that guy right there. Let's get rid of this one too. This is from the previous. So here's our little Space Invader guy right here. So he's kind of floating in space. What this represents here is the cutting bed of the WAZER cutter. So basically, each of these squares represents an area where you put your material and you tie it down to the bed, and then this will cut. So basically, we're going to cut this little guy out here, and then we can go into scale position. I'm not going to change the size because it's good to go. We'll have to go through our position here to check our metals, and then we'll come back.